Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to talk to a person at UPS. So a lot of people have been having this problem where they're not able to reach a real person at the UPS customer service. So, you'll find their customer support number listed such as this one, but those are just a robot. So what people have suggested is you call them on this number. This is the best available number, 877-289-6418. Best available number to reach a real person. Another thing, guys, that people have suggested is to start swearing at their robot. So it basically kicks you over to a live person way faster, or start talking things in a completely different language or random things that the robot does not understand. And once it is defeated for about 1 to 3 times, it will transfer you to a real person. So go ahead, try it out. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you smash the like button though, and subscribe to frequently asked questions.